on the right. And off we go again. Now we have a pedestrian. Let's go. Looking for my turning on the left, somewhere up here. Yeah, I think this is my turning. Just every man for himself, free for all. Nice kebab shop on the left, or shawarma as they call it here. Heading on a side road where we will come out on a famous street called A Santos. Many Filipino live down A Santos area. This is the hygiene clinic on the left. Used to be very busy when there were many bar girls working. Now not quite so busy. There's a meat pie and sausage place here. Aussie sausages and meat pies. Right, this is A Santos. On the left and right, I'm turning right towards Walking Street. And we come. Walking Street straight ahead. Going past a new condo called One Euphoria, which hasn't opened yet. Massage places on the left, and a few street girls. It's a quiet afternoon. Wild Orchid Hotel on the right, which is closed, hasn't reopened since COVID. And we've got this casino and Paul's Gastropub on the right. Coming up for Tequila Reef, the Mexican restaurant, on the left. Excuse me. Yeah, Walking Street straight ahead. Into the perimeter bar area. Perimeter Road, Fields Avenue. A few bars have reopened along here recently. Some of the smaller bars. Bit of traffic. See if I can go around some of it. No. Car pulling out, so that stopped that plan. Yeah, I'm going to take a break outside Margarita Station in a minute because these sunglasses are really not comfortable. See if we can get around this car. Oh, another one coming in. Come on in, nice and quick. I'm going to pull over in a minute. On the left is Margarita Station, which is one of my local hangouts. We just have a cigarette and a chat to the doorman. Looks quite busy as far as parking is concerned. Am I going to get in there? Yeah, there's a place for me. Psst! Oi! Move your butt!